In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find assembly instruction IKEA Online 2026. If you misplaced the paper booklet that came in the box, don't worry. IKEA hosts the same instructions on its website, and in a couple of clicks you can view, download, or print the exact guide for your product. Start by opening your web browser and going to ikea.com. You'll automatically land on your local site, which is perfect because instructions are tied to region-specific product pages. Give the page a second to load fully so all menus appear. On the home page, choose the product category that matches what you're assembling, like storage and organization, wardrobes, or tables. This takes you into a gallery of items within that category. Once you're inside, scroll down the page to browse. If the list is long, use the on-page filters, like size, color, or series, to narrow down what you see, then continue scrolling until you spot the exact item you own. When you find the product, click it to open its dedicated product page. This page contains everything about that item: photos, measurements, materials, and most importantly for us, the assembly documentation. On the product page, look for the section labeled Product Details. If you don't see it right away, scroll past the price, options, and measurements until the information blocks appear. The wording can vary slightly by country site, but the layout is consistent. It's usually collapsed to keep the page tidy. Click the small arrow or caret beside it to expand more options. Inside this section, find and select Assembly and Documents. This is where IKEA groups the manuals, safety information, and sometimes additional guides related to the product. Within Assembly and Documents, locate the Assembly Instructions area. You'll see the item name listed as a link, sometimes along with a document number or language tag. Click the item name. A new browser tab will open with the official step-by-step instructions, typically as a PDF. From here, you can zoom in to see details. Download the PDF to your device for offline use, or print a copy to keep at your workspace. Double-check the product name and image at the top of the document to confirm it matches what's in your box, especially if a series has multiple sizes or configurations, and that's it. Go to the IKEA site, browse to your product, open product details, tap Assembly and Documents, and then open the Assembly Instructions link. You'll have a clear, official guide ready to follow. Happy assembling!